Hi, my name is Mr. Goodell, and today I'm going to show you how to make a coil of clay. The first thing that I want to do is I want to shape this piece of clay into something a little bit more like a hot dog, sort of an ovoid, a long oval type shape there. There we go, just like this. And now I could just shape the coil just with my hands, but another good tool to use is just your table or the mat that you're working on. You could use both. And I just keep rolling back and forth. Now notice how my hand moves back and forth, because I want this coil to be the same thickness everywhere. There we go, just like that. And there's my coil. If it gets too long, you can actually tear the coil apart. You don't have to deal with the coil that's too long. And let's say you maybe do want one side to be a little thinner. So you could just roll that one side, and what's nice about that is now one part is skinny and one part's thick. And if one part is a little rough on the end, all you have to do is just trim that off. Especially if you need a part where you can score and slip and you need to attach it to another piece of clay. Now I'm going to take this piece of clay and I'm going to show you what happens if you make the coil too thin. We don't want to make our coils too thin. If they get too skinny, they start to fall apart like this. Here's a coil that's getting a little skinny, and you can see, yeah, it just kind of pops apart just like that. That's what happens when we get coils that are too skinny. You can make skinny coils, just be ready for them to fall apart. Okay, so they're a little harder to work with. Many times I'll actually add a little bit of water, just a little, to my coils to make sure they don't fall apart. Another thing too is sometimes a piece of clay, as you're rolling it, it kind of makes that sound like a flat tire, and it's not really a coil. You can see how it's kind of flat on a couple sides. An easy way to fix that is just use your fingers and kind of pinch it back so that's round again, and then you can start rolling out your coil again. Sometimes that happens, and that's no worry. There you go, and there's your coil.